नमस्ते, गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज मैं आपको कुछ आसान और पेट को कम करने के लिए आसन बताने जा रही हूँ। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। टाडा! स्टार्ट ब्रीथिंग, इनहेल, एक्सहेल। Shashank Asana. Take your hands all the way up and inhale. Now exhale while going down. Guys, this asana is really beneficial for the organs that are situated in the abdominal. The next one is going to be Manduk Asana. Put your palm at the navel area. Exhale and bend forward and take suitable stretch on your navel. Listen through your palms. Hold the pose as long as you can with slow inhaling and exhaling. Come to Vajra Asana with deep inhale. Guys, next asana is going to be Marsharya Asana and Pitil Asana. The other name is cat-cow pose. As you inhale, lift your sitting bones and chest toward the ceiling. Allow your belly to sink toward the floor. Lift your head to look straight forward. On the exhale, round your spine up toward the ceiling and imagine you're pulling your belly button up towards your spine, really engaging your abs. These are really beneficial for our belly fat and spine. The next asana is Kumbhak Asana. This asana is also known as full plank. The next asana is going to be Bhujang Asana. Lie flat on the ground with your belly towards the floor. Gently fold your elbows. Now, next one is Ardha Bhujang Asana. The process will be the same, but it will be half. Great. Exhale. The next one is Khag Asana or locust pose. Lie on your stomach with your arms extended out in a straight line. Inhale and go up. Hold this pose and focus on your breathing. The next asana, Salabh Asana. Lie flat on your abdomen and place your hands by the side. Lift your legs as you inhale along with the upper torso. Use your inner thighs to lift your legs. We have to do this for 5 times. Guys, please lift your leg without bending the knees. As higher as you can. Hold this pose for a few seconds and release. Repeat this for at least 3 to 5 times. The next asana is Dhanur Asana. Guys, this asana stretches the entire front of the body, ankles, thighs and groins, abdomen and chest. This is really helpful for burning fat of your belly. Next one is called Urdhva Mukh Swan Asana. This posture similarly looks like Bhujang Asana, This asana is called Adho Mukh Shwan Asana. This asana is also known as down dog posture. You can do this by bending your knees. This asana is really helpful. Next asana is Anjaneya Asana. From downward facing dog, exhale and step your right foot forward between your hands or aside it, aligning the right knee over the heel. Inhale and lift your head up. Do it exactly the same on your other side. Again, come in a child pose or a Sasang Asana. This is the another way to do child pose. This will relax you. Next asana is going to be Matsyendra Asana. Yeah, that was a small discussion with my camera woman. Yeah. Do it exactly I'm doing in video. The hand will be the opposite of the leg which is folded. Keep your chin up and look straight back. Do it with a normal breathing, or when you go by folding your hands, you can exhale and hold it. The next asana is going to be Paschimottanasana Asana. This asana is really amazing and helpful for your stress too. Keep your head toward your toe. Yeah, here we are done. Oof, this was really long. Now make a Gyan Mudra. We are going to breathing exercise. Inhale, exhale. Do it as slow as you can. Yeah, namaste. Bye bye.